It is happening. It's something that I've been talking about that has been on the way, that has been coming. We're actively in this eye of the proverbial storm right now. We have another corpse, if you will, whatever visual great metaphor works for you, but it is happening. All right. And that is the continued fallout of FTX. And we've just had the latest casualty, when that casualty is BlockFi. Now, we knew about this one a week or so ago, give or take, but they have officially filed for Chapter 11 bankruptcy protection as of yesterday. Okay, they filed in New Jersey. Now, some interesting points here is I'm assuming you know this, but if you didn't, I'm going to show you this. They were in the same business as Voyager and Celsius. All right, now Celsius, we know, and Voyager, we know, went down in proverbial flames this summer because of crypto prices going down dramatically, and all of the other things around that, right? But did you know this? Did you know that BlockFi received an emergency bailout of $250 million in a line of credit from, yes, you guessed it, FTX? Okay, so interesting enough, with the collapse of FTX, the BlockFi management team and board of directors immediately took action to protect clients and the company, etc. Here's the thing, right? BlockFi has frozen customer withdrawals on November 10th. We knew this. Obviously, this has been in play now for a couple of weeks plus. But the fact of the matter is that they have declared bankruptcy. There's people whose money is locked up on BlockFi and all that. And this is the continued contagion scenario that I've talked about at length on videos on my channel, and we have more of these. We're waiting on Celsius. What's going to happen with what's going to happen with Celsius? Let me see, check something. Hold on, apologize. Yeah. So no, Genesis, apologize. I knew there was a word there. What's going to happen with Genesis? That's the one we're waiting on. We're expecting some similar thing. They were looking for a massive cash infusion as well. The bottom line is that this is the contagion scenario. If you don't really know what contagion is or what it means, contagion is kind of it's a term for kind of referencing disease and how a disease will spread, and the contagion will spread into different sectors of the proverbial body, or or the community, or whatever it is. Contagion. It's a great word that really applicably, you get my point. Details this scenario. Okay, so BlockFi, it's happening. This is the latest one. Genesis, we're waiting on. I'm assuming that we're going to have a similar story around Genesis. The ironic thing is, as of right this second, with this news breaking, this official bankruptcy and breaking, the market is up 2% plus. Bitcoin's bounced up 16.5. Ethereum is bounced up almost 4% to 1,200. The market is pretty much built this in. We knew this BlockFi thing was most likely going to happen. We knew this Genesis thing was most likely going to happen. So the silver lining here might be that a lot of these things we're kind of immune to these. So from the standpoint of the market reacting, the crypto market reacting, and meaning like going down dramatically bad red in a single day or period. We'll see if that does happen. Genesis is a big one. That's a multi-billion dollar exposure scenario. We'll see how that plays out. Okay, but it is happening. We knew it would. That's what I got for you. Thanks. I'll see you.